What's up? This week I am doing a workout with me kind of video. I wanted to show you guys like what I do for workouts. So I'm gonna talk about it, and I have some clips to show you, and like how I eat, I guess. Like I don't eat the healthiest, but I try to. So I'm just gonna talk through what I do, my tips. Obviously I'm not a professional, so I just wanted to show you guys what I do. Anyway, let's get right on into the video. So first of all, how I eat, like I said, I don't eat the healthiest, and I do eat out a lot, but what I try to do is I try to eat in smaller portions, like throughout the day if I can, because your metabolism will work faster, and I just think it works, so I keep going with that. Obviously, I don't need to lose weight at all, I definitely know. But I have lost 6 pounds since I've been working out and eating a little bit healthier and whatever. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to tone up. I don't really want bulky muscles. I just want to tone how I look right now. So how I do that, I go on Instagram and I follow these two girls that I watch their videos all the time because I love them and I think they're so pretty, and I think their workout videos are great because usually I only work out at home. At my school there's a gym, and on Thursdays sometimes I will take a class, and it's called, I think, boot camp or whatever, like workout boot camp or whatever. But anyway, yeah, I do that on some Thursdays. I haven't been for a while because my schoolwork has just been too much. But yeah, I do that. And then these videos, what I wanted to show you is someone from the company It Works reached out to me on Instagram, and she's so sweet. Her name's Kaylee, and she asked me like what I wanted specifically, like for products and whatever. Like I wanted to detox, and I'm also, this month I'm getting a gel that's supposed to like tighten up your skin a little bit. So I've been doing this, and it's called It Works Greens Blend. It's the berry one, and yeah, I just really like it. I honestly can say I do not like the taste at all. I usually put it in sparkling water, which has like no calories or whatever, but it does have some flavor, so it does help a little bit. It's a little intimidating because it's very green, but yeah, I've been using this. Another thing, I learned that I am a little bit lactose sensitive, so I stay away from all dairy as much as possible, because if you are lactose intolerant, you know how bad it really hurts. So I try to stay away from all dairy. Also, because my face is really prone to acne, I try to stay away to see if that helps my face a little bit, because I know that milk and stuff and dairy can make your face break out a little bit. So I tried to see. Obviously I haven't seen changes in that, but definitely my stomach has not hurt as much, because it was literally hurting like every night and I was getting really aggravated, and I tried not eating dairy and it helped. Sorry, I obviously don't have a plan for this video, as you can probably tell, because I'm kind of all over the place, but I just wanted to like walk you through what I do. So I'm going to screen record my phone real quick. One that I really love, her name is Dana Landgren. I think that's how you say it. But anyway, these are her videos. I don't know, because they're simple at-home workouts that really actually do make a difference. So like this one, she has a lower abs one, so she just does these. And yeah, I just think they're like really simple. You can do them at home. The next one that I have been loving, she is very fit, this girl. Her name's Ashley Jordan. Yeah, this is her page. She has 2 million followers, and her boyfriend are like goals. Just saying. But anyway, so she has ones. A lot of hers though have gym ones in it, so when I do go to the gym sometimes I will use these. But she does do some that aren't also in the gym, like some of these ones, lower abs. She does the bird dog, and then she shows you below. So you do 4 rounds of this one, and you do 15 on each side. So I like how she shows that. So I follow her videos a lot. yeah, that's really all I have to tell you guys. So again, I do my best to work out as like every day. Those videos, I eat in little portions as much as I can. So if I start to feel full, I cut myself off. I don't eat dairy. Try to eat as much fruits and vegetables as possible. I don't drink soda. That's another thing. I don't drink soda. I mean, once in a while, maybe at a party I'll drink soda, but I never have it in my house. I either drink, I'm usually drinking an iced coffee, which is bad. I usually drink water, seltzer water, or like just a flavored drink. I drink vitamin water a lot. Yeah, so that's really about all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some stuff from me. Again, I said I'm not a professional, so by any means, I could be totally wrong, but I'm just sharing what I do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for 200 subscribers. It means a lot to me. To me, that is quite a few because I've had the same amount for a while, so I'm finally starting to gain subscribers, and it makes me so happy. Yeah, and also follow my Instagrams. They'll be down below. Let me know if you guys want to see certain videos down below because it's almost summer. I have 3 weeks of school left, and I'm very excited because then I can focus on YouTube. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!